Hi, everybody. I hope you're having a great Sunday. I just wanted to go over some things within our class. First of all, remember tonight your intimate relationships and communication, chapter 5 assignments are due. So the written assignment is due and the quiz is due tonight at 11:59 p.m. So this coming week, we are going to be skipping and we're going to go to chapter 17, which is titled Personal Safety. And within this chapter, you're going to list the most common unintentional injuries and strategies for preventing them. You're going to discuss violence and intentional injuries and how to protect yourself. And you're going to be able to list strategies for helping others in an emergency situation. So these are things that we encounter within our lives, and we're just going to learn more about how to deal with those. Um, Last week's assignments, I already graded them. You did much better on them, so keep up the good work there. If you have any questions or any concerns about the quizzes or the written assignments, please send me an email and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have a great week and looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.